Hey, hello lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Glory on Askiria once again. And in today's video, I want us to talk about a family planning injection known as the Depo-Provera. If you're new here, thank you for coming. Please consider subscribing and join my family. And if you've already subscribed, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always watching my videos. Please do not leave until you watch this video to the end so that you can understand everything you need to know about this Depo-Provera. So first of all, start by telling you what this Depo-Provera is, and this is a contraceptive injection that is given that contains one hormone, that is the progesterone hormone, and it is a hormonal contraceptives, just like other methods in previous videos which are hormonal. This is one of them, only that it is an injection. So this Depo is used by a lot of people or many women out there to prevent unwanted pregnancies, or even to plan for family, or to plan how to space their births, because it is very effective. And I'll be telling you later in this video why these women, or why many people prefer to use this Depo-Provera. So this Depo-Provera is an injection given every 3 months, and it contains one hormone, just as I said, one hormone, that is progesterone. So this Depo-Provera, or this injection, works just like any other hormonal contraceptives. That is, it works by thickening the cervical mucus, thus preventing the sperm from reaching to the egg. It works also by suppressing ovulation. That is, it stops the ovaries from producing an egg that is fertilized by the sperm. This Depo-Provera is in two forms. There is one form that is given deep into the muscle, and the other one is given just beneath the skin. So this given deep into the muscle is the most common, is the most available in our facilities or in the chemist around you. This is the most common, and you can prefer any muscle, maybe the muscle at your upper arm, the thigh, or even the gluteal muscle that is on your buttocks. The other one is given subcutaneously, that is just beneath your skin, and it also prevents you from pregnancy for 3 months, and it also works just like the other one, the common one, and it's not very available, but if you come across it, it's just like the other Depo-Provera. So don't be afraid, just take it and return the dates that you'll be told to return for the next injection. So women, most people out there prefer using this injection or this family planning method because of the following reasons. Number one reason being that most people, or many people, do not want to take a birth control pill each and every day, because all of us know that it is very easy to forget taking this pill, and once you miss a pill or two, then this reduces the effectiveness of the birth control. So if you usually forget, this is the best method for you, because for 3 months you will not be thinking about family planning. The other reason why most people love this injection is because it is private. Once you get an injection, no one can tell that you have an injection for family planning. It is very private, and no one will be able to understand what is going on with you. The other reason is that most of the people do not want to use or to visit a health facility regularly, or an hospital, or a clinic, or a chemist regularly, because once you take this injection, then you are guaranteed to stay for 3 good months without going to the hospital or clinic to get a method of family planning. So that is why most of the people prefer this family planning method. So there are a lot of benefits that comes with this Depo-Provera, and I want us to share some of the benefits. And number one benefit is that this Depo-Provera reduces menstrual cramps or menstrual pain. I know most of the people have this menstrual period or menstrual cramps or pain. So when you start using this Depo-Provera, it might reduce these cramps and pain. The benefit is that it does not require daily action. Once you take this injection, then you will stay for 3 months without thinking about family planning anymore. The other benefit is that if you have heavy bleeding, this injection will reduce the monthly flow. So most of the people will get lesser monthly flow or blood flow, and the other people will even miss completely. So if you're using Depo-Provera and your monthly period has completely disappeared, do not even get worried, because this is a side effect, and it is very common with people using this Depo-Provera. So this might be a benefit to most of the people, because I know most of us don't love this menstrual period. It also decreases the risk of endometrial cancer. This is the cancer of the endometrium. The endometrium is the inner lining of the uterus. So it might reduce the risk of getting the cancer of this inner lining of your uterus. So I want us to understand the side effects of this Depo-Provera, and as we all know that there is nothing that has benefit that does not have effects, especially the medications or the family planning method. So I want us to understand the side effects of this Depo-Provera. And number one and most, let me say, a negative side effect is that return to fertility of this Depo-Provera is delayed. Most of the people have a delayed return to fertility. And by delayed return to fertility, I mean that once you've used this Depo-Provera for a long period of time, and you want to get pregnant, or you stop using it so that you can conceive, it might take you more months or more years to get pregnant. So that means after using this Depo-Provera, it might take you up to 10 months or more, or even years, or even forever, before returning to fertility, or before starting ovulating again. The other side effects are very common with hormonal contraceptives, and they disappear within days of using this family planning method. So these effects that comes and disappears in few days or few months is like abdominal pain, breast tenderness, nausea, vomiting, headaches, fatigue, tiredness. All these things may come along with using this family planning method. Not only this one, but all the hormonal methods, but they do not last long. So they come but disappear very fast. The other side effect about this Depo-Provera is that you might experience changes in your menstrual cycle. So most of the people complain of lack of menstruation completely. Other people complain of heavy bleeding. Other people complain of regular bleeding, spotting, light bleeding, infrequent bleeding, or frequent bleeding, according to how your body will respond to this injection. This can be used by most people, most women of reproductive health, including the teenagers and the mothers above 40 years. But if you have unexplained vaginal bleeding, please do not use this family planning method until you see your doctor first. Other people that could not be able to use this Depo-Provera is if you have had sensitivity of any component of this Depo-Provera, if you have a breast cancer, if you have a liver disease, if you have had a history of heart disease, please do not use this Depo-Provera. So that means when you go for family planning, you need to explain to your doctor about any condition, any existing or any condition that you have had before, so that the doctor can advise you accordingly. The other thing that you need to know about this Depo-Provera is that it does not protect you against STIs or HIV, just like any other family planning method, hormonal family planning method. This method does not protect you against STIs. Effectiveness of this Depo-Provera is 98% or 97%, and its effectiveness also depends on the user. That means if you are late before taking the next injection, then this can reduce the effectiveness of this injection, or if you miss taking the injection completely. So that reduces the effectiveness of this Depo-Provera. The other thing about this Depo-Provera is that you can get an injection 7 days early or 7 days later, and you still be protected from getting unwanted pregnancy. So I think that is all I end for you guys today. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and come back again to see or check another video once I upload. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye bye.